Hello. Have you ever thought about transforming the way you deal with erectile dysfunction in a simple and non-invasive way, in the comfort of your home? Penile vacuum pump appears as an option that promises to help many men improve erectile function without having to resort to medications or surgical procedures. This device, which may seem a little unusual at first glance, works by creating a vacuum around the penis, which stimulates increased blood flow and, as a result, creates an erection. However, for many, the effectiveness and safety of this method is still a question mark. Therefore, it is essential to understand exactly how it works, benefits and limitations, as well as knowing how to use it correctly to obtain the best results. In this video, we will explain in a clear and detailed way how the penis vacuum pump works, demystifying its main points, and offering an objective view of what you can really expect when using it. Our goal is to provide straightforward, accessible information so you can confidently assess whether this solution is right for your need. We will discuss the basics of how the pump works, how it can complement treatment for erectile dysfunction, and what precautions should be taken to ensure a safe and effective experience. In addition, we will answer the most common questions that arise when it comes to using a vacuum pump, from the necessary preparation, possible side effects. We want to ensure that at the end of the video, you have all the information you need to make an informed decision. If you are looking for alternatives to conventional treatments, or want to explore new options, this video is an excellent opportunity to clarify your doubts and find out about the use of the penile vacuum pump. Finally, it is important to remember that, like any other method, the vacuum pump has its pros and cons, and understanding this is the first step to making the right choice. We will help you understand how to integrate it into your treatment, always focusing on your health and well-being. Have you ever heard of the penis vacuum pump? This device, which may seem somewhat unusual, is widely used to treat erectile dysfunction, a problem that affects many men at different stages of life. The pump creates a vacuum around the penis, which increases blood flow to the area, generating an erection. For men who cannot or prefer to avoid medications, this can be an effective alternative. Although the technique is not new, having been used for decades, it remains a useful solution for maintaining an erection during sexual intercourse. However, it is essential to understand how to use the pump correctly in order to maximize the benefits and avoid possible complications. In this video, we will explain how this device works, highlighting the care necessary during use and the factors that can influence its effectiveness. It is worth remembering that the success of the penile vacuum pump may vary from person to person, depending on several factors, such as the cause of erectile dysfunction and how the device is used. The way the pump is adjusted, the time of use and the frequency with which it is used can directly impact the results. Furthermore, incorrect use can cause discomfort or even injury, making it even more important to follow all instructions properly. We will detail step-by-step how to use the vacuum pump correctly, from preparation to practical use, to ensure you get maximum benefits. Our goal is for you to improve your erectile function safely and effectively by making the most of this simple and accessible resource. Now let's delve deeper into the pros and cons of the penis vacuum pump. One of the biggest benefits of this device is that it offers a non-invasive, medication-free alternative to treating erectile dysfunction. For men who cannot take certain medications or prefer to avoid treatments with possible side effects, the vacuum pump can be a great solution. Furthermore, the device is simple to use and does not require complex procedures or frequent doctor visits. You can use it in the comfort of your home, which is very practical for those looking for a discreet and efficient solution. Another positive point is that the pump can improve erectile function temporarily, being sufficient for men who need occasional support. On the other hand, there are some disadvantages to using a vacuum pump that must be taken into consideration. Although the device is generally safe when used correctly, some men may experience discomfort, pain, or even minor injuries if the pump is used incorrectly. Exaggerating the pressure or not following the timing instructions can lead to unwanted effects. Furthermore, the process of using the pump can be seen as uncomfortable by some people, as it requires a certain level of preparation and can interrupt the spontaneity of sexual relations. It is essential to assess whether these setbacks are acceptable given the benefits that the pump can provide in your case. Another important aspect to be considered is the psychological impact of using the vacuum pump. For many men, the ability to achieve an erection can bring great emotional relief and improve self-esteem. However, using the pump can also generate feelings of shame or anxiety, especially if there is insecurity regarding the condition or the use of the device itself. Let's discuss how to deal with these feelings and the importance of maintaining an open dialogue with your partner and healthcare professionals. Emotional support is essential to ensure the success of treatment and general well-being. In the video, we will also talk about strategies to overcome any psychological discomfort and integrate the use of the vacuum pump in a positive and healthy way into your sex life. At the end of this video, our goal is for you to have a clear and complete view of the penile vacuum pump and how it can help improve erectile function. We talk about how the device works, its main benefits, and some disadvantages that need to be considered. It is very important that you feel well informed before deciding whether or not to use this tool. The vacuum pump may be an effective, non-invasive alternative to traditional erectile dysfunction treatments for some men. However, like any other medical device, it is essential to understand how it works, know how to use it correctly, and be aware of the limitations it may have. This way, you will be able to assess more safely whether this is the best choice for your treatment. Additionally, remember that sexual health is a crucial part of overall well-being. The penis vacuum pump seems to be a suitable solution for your case. It is always recommended to seek the guidance of a healthcare professional. They will be able to assess your situation more accurately, ensure that using the device is safe for you, and provide guidance on how to integrate it into your treatment effectively. Consulting a specialist can clarify possible doubts, adjust treatment when necessary, and ensure that you are on the right path, taking care of your sexual health appropriately. In summary, the penile vacuum pump is a practical and non-invasive solution to treat erectile dysfunction, but its use must be done with responsibility and knowledge. Results may vary from person to person, and correctly following the usage guidelines is essential to avoid problems. Watch the full video to understand all the details about using the pump and clarify any questions you may have. And, if you still have questions after watching, don't hesitate to seek out more information or talk to an expert. We are here to support you in your search for quality sexual health. Informing yourself and preparing yourself is the first step to ensuring your well-being and making choices that improve your quality of life. Leave your like, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to receive valuable content about men's health and urology. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.